Hello and welcome to our new record. Today we are going to study Unit 6, The Mystery of the Mary Celeste. Let's start with our vocabulary.
Mystery, a strange thing that is difficult to explain or understand. Sail, to travel on the water. Interview, a meeting at which a person, usually someone famous, is asked about their opinions or their life for a newspaper article or TV show. Guess, to give an answer that you feel may be right although you aren't sure. Solve, to find the answer for a problem. Mast, a tall length of wood or metal that supports the sails on a ship. Ocean, a very large area of sea. Voyage, a long journey, especially by ship. Float, to stay on the surface of a liquid and not sink. Signal, to make a movement, sound or flash, etc., which gives information or tells people what to do. Reply, an answer. Row, to move oars through water to make a boat move. Aboard, used when talking about getting onto a ship, bus or train. Discover, to find something or to learn about something for the first time. Cabin, a room on a ship or plane. Plenty, state of having enough or more than enough or a large amount. Galley, a kitchen in ship. Mutiny, a group of people, especially soldiers or sailors who refuse to obey orders. Pot, a round container, used especially for cooking.
Unit 6, page 50.
The Mystery of the Mary Celeste.
Welcome, Professor Dent. You are here today to talk about the mystery of the Mary Celeste.
Yes, John. People have tried to guess what happened, but nobody has solved this mystery. It is very interesting.
Let's begin with what the Mary Celeste was.
The Mary Celeste was a ship. It had 2 masts, and it sailed across the Atlantic Ocean in the 19th century. On one voyage, something very strange happened.
When was this?
It was on the 5th of December, 1872. A ship called the Dei Grazia found the Mary Celeste in the middle of the ocean.
What was so strange about that?
Well, it was just floating there. The captain of the Dei Grazia signaled to the Mary Celeste, but there was no reply.
What did the captain do then?
He rowed over to the Mary Celeste with 3 other sailors. They climbed aboard the ship, and that is when they discovered the mystery.
What did they find?
It was very quiet. They searched the ship, but there was nobody on board. The ship wasn't damaged, and there was plenty of food and water.
What did they do next?
This is where it gets even more mysterious. They went to the captain's cabin, and they found some breakfast on the table. The breakfast was half eaten.
No sign of the captain?
No, there was nobody on the ship. In the galley, that's where the meals are cooked, there were pots of half-cooked food hanging over a dead fire.
Do you know what happened?
No, nobody knows. The captain of the Dei Grazia thought that there had been a mutiny. That's when the sailors don't obey orders.
Did he think the crew left the ship?
Yes, but the lifeboat was still there. So how did they get off the ship? Did they jump overboard? Did another ship take them?
If the crew did leave, what happened to the captain?
Well, they found a knife. It had some blood on it. So some people think that someone murdered the captain.
What do you think?
I think we will never know. Some mysteries are never solved.
Thank you, Professor. I hope you will come on the programme again and tell us about another unsolved mystery.
Thank you, John. I'd like that.